Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on a spring makeup trend, which is bold liner and fun mascara. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do like a soft blue wing, but again you can choose a different color. Maybe you want orange, maybe you want red, maybe you want hot pink. Do whatever your little heart desires. But if you're interested in seeing how I created this entire look, then keep on watching. As always, if you guys like these types of videos, then please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to see more of me, then you guys can subscribe to my channel and then hit the little bell notification so you can be notified when I upload a video. Alright, let's get right into it. So first thing we're going to use is foundation. You can use your favorite. I'm just using BH Liquid Foundation, Naturally Flawless. This is my all-time favorite and I've been using it for a really long time. This is like my third bottle, so just love the way it looks. So we're going to focus on just evening out the skin, light coverage in general, so we can kind of, you know, have a natural, healthy looking glow. And this foundation has like a natural finish. It's not matte and it's not too dewy. And I have oily skin, so it's like perfect. Don't forget your neck. You want to make sure everything is nicely blended. Alright, so now it's time for concealer. I'm just using Maybelline, I can't even say Maybelline, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This is in the color Light, just a little bit, just to kind of brighten up my under eyes. Because I did use a little bit of the foundation there, and then I have a little zit here that just doesn't want to go away. And we'll do a little bit here and a little bit here. Alright, so time to set the skin. I'm just using Makeup Revolution. This is their Bake and Blot. I'm not going to bake or anything like that, just going to mattify my skin where it needs it, and for me it's the T-zone. I don't want to fully mattify everything. Alright, now to add some color back into the skin, I am using this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. It's in Golden Days. And I'm just going to add some warmth back into my skin. So this is going to go in the contour area. But I'm just using a fluffy brush and circular motion. Alright, so time for some blush. This is like a favorite of mine, Naughty and Spice by Nudestix. So I'm applying it to the cheeks and just make sure it fades into that bronzer. So we're going to start on the apples and blending upwards. You don't want your contour and blush to look completely separate because then they just look like a, is it a tiramisu cake where it's like, no. Napoleon cake. Is that what it is with the chocolate, the vanilla, and the strawberry? That's exactly what it looks like when people don't blend their contour and highlight. Tell me if I'm wrong. Is that correct? Now for highlighter, I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown one. This is the Shimmer Brick in pink. I like pinker tones on me for highlight, so that's why I'm using this color. And it's not because of my hair. Just to make sure everything is nicely soft and blended, I'm taking my foundation brush, doing whatever's left over on it, and just kind of going over things. I'm also going to add some highlight right here, and right there, and then I'm going to keep it still. Alright, so eyebrows are done and I'm moving in closer so you guys can see the eye look. This is a trending thing going on right now, so I want to show you guys what I would do for it. Okay, first things first, we're going to need a base for our shadow. Because we're only doing a bold liner, you don't want that liner to transfer to your lids because that is not a cute look. So I'm going to go in with that same concealer, Maybelline Fit Me, for my priming of the lids. This also just helps cancel out any discoloration, redness that anyone may have. And then we're going to set this primer so it doesn't move anywhere. I'm using that same Makeup Revolution translucent powder. You can also use a shadow close to your skin tone. So for this blue liner, you can use anything you have. He's killing me. So for this blue liner, every time I try to talk, this guy has to bark. I don't understand. So for this blue liner, you can use anything that you have. This is an Urban Decay one, and this is Jordana. Really up to you. I also have an Inglot one, which is a gel. It's in this little guy. And I think I'm going to go with this type of blue, just so it can match my shirt. You can also choose a different color than blue if you'd like, just so it pops. You want a pop of color. So I'm going to use this little brush right here. It's a little bit on the stiffer side, so I can blend the liner while drawing it on as well. So I like to start in the middle of my lid and go out. And then I like to go inwards. Now before this dries and before we do the wing, you do want to blend this out because Inglot liner does fade, not fade, it dries really fast. So you want to make sure you can blend it before it can't move anymore. And don't worry if it's fully not there, we are going to use some shadow to help the blending process. So on to the next eye for now. Try to keep it on the thinner side too because it is going to get smudgier and a little bit thicker. So now time for the wing part. Start smaller too because when you blend it, it is going to get a little larger and longer. So now you're going to want to take a blue shadow. I'm going to be using this Kat Von D one. It does have a little bit of shimmer. And then I'm using a small like dome-shaped brush and I'm going to start softening things out. Now to still keep the sharpness in my wing, I'm taking a liner brush. And I'm really focusing on making sure that the end is sharp. All I'm going to do now is add a pop of inner corner highlight. Lastly, we're going to curl the lashes, add some mascara. Time to add some blue mascara. And now time for a lip. I'm going to be using Kinda Sexy by MAC. I got that on my tooth. Now just to kind of put everything together, I'm using this Glowco Botanical Hydra Booster. Has a little bit of like shimmer in it and makes your skin look really nice. Woo! Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you maybe learned something new from this video. I try to make my makeup looks a little bit more wearable than a lot that you see on YouTube. I don't want to make it complicated and have 5 million different steps. So I try to make it as simple as possible, but I hope you guys liked this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.